How to fix slow loading on Roblox. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you what to do if your Roblox isn't loading. So first of all, you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable. If it's not stable, try it again after the connection's stable. And if it's still not working, then make sure it's not a heavy game. Keep in mind that heavy games might take a while to load, so wait for it to load. If that's still not working, go ahead to your Play Store and type in Roblox to check for updates. So if there are any updates updated, or you're good to go. After the update, if your Roblox is still not loading, then go ahead to one of these sites like Down Detector and check if Roblox appears in top 3 or here somewhere. So if it's here, restart your app or your mobile phone and try it again. Otherwise, wait for them to fix the error. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.